Well, the portal hasn't been working perfectly since I built it. But I ordered a new particle impulse controller, and all I have to do is get it back to the lab. Perfect timing. It looks like the portal is broken. Okay, well, no problem. Okay, I'm here. Wow.
That's perfect. One particle impulse controller for you.
All right, thanks very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Thank you. That's as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna move that giant, heavy particle impulse controller all the way across the parking lot and all the way up that loading ramp by myself with nobody's help. How am I gonna move a giant, heavy machine all that way if I can barely even budget? Well, I'm gonna give myself superpowers, super strength with the power of simple machines. And the first machine we're gonna start with is the lever. I got my giant lever. The bigger the lever is, the easier it is to do the work. I need a fulcrum. Just about anything will do for a fulcrum. And put that there. Okay. Look at this. No problem. One finger lifting. It suddenly became very easy for me to move this. I guess I need to do more than just lift it though, huh? Because I have to move it all the way. Oh, rollers. Okay, I've got rollers. They're just plastic pipes, but they'll work perfectly. So. Whoa. Whoa, careful. Uh-huh. Look at that. No problem. Now the trick with rollers is you have to keep taking them out of the back and putting them in the front. Yeah, there's a hill here. If I go down the hill, it's gonna start rolling faster than I can do the rollers. I'm gonna need some help. Oh, I know, pulleys. All right, I've been able to use this pulley to lower it down the hill at the speed I want to go. Interestingly, I'm using the pulley not to make it lighter, but to just change the direction of force. And I managed to get it right here at the bottom. Now I've got to get it up onto the loading dock, so I think this is where I need a ramp. There's 3 pulleys on that piece of wood over there, and I got 2 pulleys on this piece of wood here. And now, if I pull, and I carefully put the rollers underneath. Careful. Perfect! I know what you're thinking. It still seems pretty difficult. If only the simple machines could give me longer arms. Well, they can't do that. But what they can do is give me the strength to do this heavy job with no one else around but me. Hopefully that won't be a problem. There we go! I did it! All the way across the parking lot and up onto the loading dock with the help of levers, rollers, ramps, and pulleys. Yeah! My name is Phil, and I take your everyday science experiments and do them big. This is Science Max, experiments at large.